I have a lot of hot sauces. In fact, in the fridge, I have a whole shelf dedicated to just hot sauce. I have sweet ones, I have mild ones, I have super hot ones, I have everything in between. I just really like hot sauces. But my favorite, or I should say Paula and our favorite is this guy here, or I should say this woman. As you can see, this woman is very, I'll say endearingly, very stern looking or very angry, but she, or this sauce here is our favorite, and what this is called is chili crisp, or crispy chili sauce. And the more broader term for these types of sauces is called chili oil. And what differs from this than like a traditional hot sauce is that it's very oily. That's why they call it a chili oil. And there's tons of just chilies in it. And this stuff is just awesome. I love it on everything. Paula and I eat this on like all kinds of things. Mostly meat, but certainly vegetables, noodles. This is a phenomenal, versatile condiment and sauce. So we thought it would be interesting or fun to make our own. So after trying a whole bunch of different recipes, we're gonna share with you the one that we really like. Actually, Paula kind of came up with it. We're gonna show you how to make this. And in fact, we make so much of it now that we buy our chilies in bulk. So it's really nice to keep these chilies on hand. This is a super easy recipe and it's only a couple ingredients. So let's get cooking. Start with about 20 fresh green or red finger chilies and 5 bird's eye chilies. Wash and rinse them well. You can also substitute with jalapeno peppers if you can't find finger chilies. Remove the stems and chop up the peppers coarsely with a food processor, or just slice them thinly. Transfer the processed peppers to a mortar and pestle. Add 3 teaspoons of table salt, then using the pestle, mash and grind the mixture to break down the peppers. Do it in batches if you don't have enough room. Next, mince 3 heads of garlic. You can use a garlic press or a food processor, which will really speed things up. It is so much faster. In a medium-sized pot, heat up half a cup of canola oil and then add the minced garlic. You don't want the oil super hot, just hot enough so the oil slowly browns the garlic. We're trying to basically caramelize the garlic. The garlic is done once it's a nice golden brown and it starts to be a little sticky. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Add in the fresh processed chilies and cook for another 5 minutes or until the mixture is well heated and bubbling. We didn't do it in this batch, but you can also add in 2 teaspoons of minced preserved black beans. This will give the chili oil a crazy amount of umami flavor. Measure out about 1.5 cups of canola oil and add it to the mixture. And wait for the oil to heat up and the chilies to begin bubbling again. Measure out 1 cup dried chilies and to it add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Once the mixture is heated back up, add the 1 cup of dried chili flakes and sugar and stir really well. Another addition you can add is you can mix in 4 teaspoons of szechuan peppercorns. The szechuan peppercorns will really add a unique flavor that can only be described as numbing, but it goes really well with spicy foods. Lastly, add in 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce and mix well. If you find the mixture is too dry, add more canola oil. Let cool and transfer the jars. You can store the chili oil in the fridge for months. There you have it, how to make chili crisp, aka chili oil. This stuff is so versatile. Like I said, we like using it on vegetables, meat, noodles, use it as a condiment, use it as an ingredient in cooking. I like using it on hot pot. It's so good as a dipping sauce. Phenomenal, amazing condiment. I highly recommend giving this a go. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this cooking video. Consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.